Hello, Aidan Cushnahan, DairyLink Ireland advisor here, giving a brief summary of some of the second cut silage operations being carried out on project farms this summer. And we'll also take a brief look at some of the reseeding work being carried out on one of those farms as well. The indifferent weather conditions experienced across the country these last few weeks has made the production of second cut silage a bit more difficult than usual on project farms. For example, James King of Ballymena has had to make silage for second cut at two different stages this summer, in late June and in mid-July. Grass when mowed has been tedded out, as you can see in the left-hand image, in order to allow James to try to achieve a target dry matter of around 25 to 30% dry matter over a 24-hour period. Grass, when wilted, is then rolled up to allow it to be harvested. The grass is picked up by the harvester and then taken back for ensiling at a silo back on the home farm. James also decided to apply an inoculant-based silage additive to help improve fermentation and nutrient value of second cut silage. James, as with other project farmers, continues to measure grass on the farm. Here you can see a copy of the wedge created on the 6th of July, where individual grass covers are represented by the green bars, and the blue line highlights the herd demand line for James's dairy herd. Bars which rise above the blue line indicate that a grass excess existed on the farm. When James saw this, he decided to remove two of the paddocks to help to reduce that excess. That excess grass was put in along with the second cut silage. The resultant wedge is shown in the next slide, and you can see here, in most cases, the green bars more or less meet the herd demand line. So in this case, taking the excess grass out for silage helped to maintain grass quality and milk production from grass subsequently on the farm. Currently, James's milk from forage is in and around M plus 14 litres per cow per day. A nutrient management plan has also been developed for third cut silage for the farm, where around 80 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare is being supplied through the application of 2,500 gallons per acre of slurry, plus around another 1.85 bags per acre of 27% nitrogen. Second cut silage has also been recently completed on Frank Goodman's farm, where you can see the grass being lifted here. Grass was mown on the 10th of July and was suspended briefly due to a spell of rain which occurred on the farm. The grass was then subsequently lifted on the 11th of July. Plans are already in place for third cut silage, where around 2 to 2,500 gallons per acre of slurry is being applied, followed by another around 1.85 bags per acre of 27% N or CAN. You may remember from a previous presentation that Frank was also reseeding around 5 hectares of grassland on the farm, where that area had already been sprayed off twice with Roundup to kill off existing grass, and min-till techniques were being employed to reseed the pasture. Here you can see grass is being sown out on the field, and the varieties which were sown on the field included Aberclyde, Abergreen and Aberwolf. The field was sowed out in and around the end of June. This is a clip taken of the reseed approximately 24 days after the grass seed was sown, and you can see that the rain experienced in the area since the grass seed was sown has helped to establish a cover of grass on the field. So to conclude, it's important to continue to measure grass covers on your farm in order to maintain grass quality, and where possible, remove any excess grass covers which you identify to help to maintain that grass quality. And finally, use the CAFRE online nutrient management calculator programs to develop a nutrient management plan for third cut silage for your farm. Thank you for watching, and please check out the other DairyLink Ireland presentations on CAFRE TV.